So hello friends, good morning. Hope all are fine. And it's Diwali, Kali Puja. Kali Puja means Diwali. So happy Diwali to all of you from my channel Kishan Live Studio and from me. And today I visited Sohid Matanjali Mall at Pupura Diwali Utsav Program Gramin Mela 2025 and saw that some more children toys shop have come and Nagodala is under construction and some more shops have come today and children toys shops under maintenance. The dragon that is paddleboard is no today. The dragon is on the water. The dragon is on the water. Sohid Matanjali Mall is still vacant today. That is on 20th October on the day of Kali Puja. And Barwari and more shops are under construction and maintenance. Nagartala is under maintenance too. Happy Diwali to all of you from Kishan Live Studio. And today is Diwali. Hope you enjoy the Diwali.